I'm Nick Grove at the Morningstar Individual Investor Conference in 2017, and I'm joined by Anton Tagliaferro. Anton, whether or not investors should rush out and buy them at the moment, irregardless of that question, what are some of your favourite picks on the ASX at the moment?
Look, it's tough at the moment. I think most companies, it's difficult to grow their earnings. Companies we like for the next 3 to 5 years, look, we're looking closely at Brambles because it's well out of favour and, it's still a very good company, we think, for the long term. Another one we like, which again, we're not expecting a very strong necessarily first half result, but I think in the next 3 to 5 years, it's a company called Pact Group, which is a packaging company. Those sort of companies which have got steady type of earnings, recurring earnings, strong competitive advantage, pretty good management, and will be around for a long time.
And Anton, just as we're entering this, the world is entering this phase of quantitative tightening, how important is individual stock selection going to be?
It's always important, right? But look, I guess we're living in an interesting time where we've had, we've got interest rates at record low levels, at crisis levels, when the world has moved beyond being in a crisis. So at some point that has to reverse. Interest rates also have to normalise. And on top of that, the Fed Reserve, which has bought all those bonds to pump money in the system, is now talking about reversing that. Although having said that, Europe is still printing money and Japan is still printing money. So that will offset some of the Fed. But look, at some point, interest rates, the whole balance sheets of central banks have to get back to normal. So there will be rockier times in the market ahead, I'm sure.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your financial objectives, situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.